Boom! So yes folks, we are continuing now with our series of videos on completing this square. Alright, so in this video we're going to do the same thing we did in the last video, which is simply to work out one of these guys with an even coefficient of x here and -1 as the coefficient of x squared here. And we want to express this quadratic expression written in standard form. We want to express it in the vertex form. So as we did in the last video, the very first thing we do is to factorize this expression by taking out -1 as the common factor. So your next line here will be to say -1 minus into x squared plus 12x plus 8. Alright? That is what we have there. So we then continue on with our good friend here. So we have minus on the outside and we introduce the square brackets here now, because x squared plus 12x, remember, is x plus 6 all to be squared minus 6 squared, and then we add back the 8 over here. And we come in again and we have the minus sign outside still, and we will get x plus 6 all to be squared. 6 squared is still 36 plus 8. Minus 36 plus 8 is minus 24. So the next line here would be minus into x plus 6 all to be squared minus 24, which now allows us to multiply everything here by -1 to give us minus into x plus 6 squared minus by minus is plus 24, and that is the final answer. Alright, so we're going to take the liberty now of working backwards from this particular answer to see if we get back what we had at the start here. So, alright, let me just rub off the board here. Minus, right. So if we start off from the outset with minus into x plus 6 squared plus 24, and we work that out and we want to see if we end back up with this that we started off with. Alright, so again we deal with the brackets first. So minus into x squared plus 12x plus 36. Right, we would remember we would have done with this, we would have dealt with this expression in the very first video in the series, and then we add back the 24 here. So now we expand now by multiplying the -1 by everything inside the brackets here. So it will be minus x squared minus 12x minus 36 plus 24, and then we just continue the arithmetic. Minus x squared minus 12x minus 36 plus 24 is minus 8. So you see the thing, it works. It works. You just have to be careful with your arithmetic. Alright, so we're going to continue now with our next question, where we're going to go through the same procedure and work out. Of course, in the next video we're going to be dealing with odd coefficients of x here, and of course you could expect that with the odd coefficients of x, the arithmetic, as you would have seen in the previous videos, will become a little more complicated. Now we have the minus sign to deal with, but as is usually the case in mathematics, if you just take your time and go through everything step by step in a systematic fashion, you will end up with the correct answer. Alright, so that's it for now. Look out for the next video.